Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Dokkan Battle, in which you can get free unlimited dragon stones and a store that costs absolutely nothing. So it's a free store mod as well. We call it a free store mod because everything in the store costs $0. You can buy anything in the store for free. And from that you can get unlimited dragon stones as well, so that's why it's a free unlimited dragon stones mod as well. So this modded version works on both iOS and Android mobile devices, so it doesn't matter whichever device you're using. Just follow the steps I'll be showing you in this video properly, and you'll be able to get this modded version of Dokkan Battle Plus Plus downloaded in any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So first things first, before we move on with this video, I'd like you guys to take a minute and subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up and share this video, because I'm about to show you a crazy mod that will help you download this crazy modded version with some crazy content. So it's like a pack of craziness. What a saying, pack of craziness. Yeah, so as you can see over here that I have all the dragon stones in the store for free. And look at that, I just purchased these dragon stones for free, and you don't want to, you probably know that you can't get these much dragon stones from the game by collecting them too quickly. It's like a free dragon stone mod. Look at that, 23,828. I'll just jump to 24,000 in less than a minute, and that is how cool it is. Look at that, I just jumped to 24,228. And this is amazing. 24,300, 24,400, 500, so on and so forth. This is crazy. You must have this if you're playing Dokkan Battle, considering it's a great game. If you have this mod, you're invincible, because this will, having like unlimited dragon stones will free you from the worry of running out of dragon stones. So you can just buy, it's whenever you're about to run out of dragon stones, come to the store and top up yourself with some decent amount of dragon stones. This will make your gameplay much more stronger, stealthier, and better than before, because you don't have to worry about running out of dragon stones, and you can buy some crazy stuff with these much dragon stones, which many other good players won't be able to buy. And so this makes this mod a cool, crazy mod, a pack of craziness, like I said. So buy whatever you want to, or someone has paid for you. This is the Dokkan Battle Plus Plus, the modded version of Dokkan Battle. So let me just show you how to download it. I'm just giving you a last look, so I would rather close it because I'm getting addicted to it. So this is the game icon, Dokkan Battle Plus Plus, right underneath the home icon. What I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply delete it for now so that I can show you how to download it again. So don't worry, it's pretty simple and easy. There you go, I just deleted it. Now the first step is that you have to click on the settings icon. Super easy. Like there. Look for general settings, that'll be over here in the third part, and look for background app refresh, which is right underneath the iPhone storage, and make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. If it's on any other thing, turn it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is step number 1, which is just for iOS devices. If you're using an Android device, skip to step number 2, which is pretty straightforward as well, which is that you have to go back to your settings and look for battery settings, and right there, and make sure that your low power mod and your power saving mod on your iOS and Android devices respectively are turned off. If they're on, turn them off. And that's all for the settings. That's all the settings have to do in this. That's all the settings contribute. And then you can simply close your settings and head to your browser. Doesn't matter whichever browser you're using. Maybe you're using Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Safari. But into the search engine bar, you have to type in app4u.top. And once you do that and click search, a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way, and this list contains a lot of useful stuff that might come in handy later. But for now, you'll search for Dokkan Battle in the search bar by typing Dokkan Battle, and there you go. It says in the game description, free store mod, unlimited dragon stones, all items in store are free. If it's signed or not revoked, you can just go on to install it by clicking over here and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button right here. Now remember, the injection process may take up to a few minutes, which is why I have fast forwarded the video over here to make it short. But remember, there is no need to worry, just hang in there. And the injection process may take up to a few minutes, but not too long, because it has to inject some contents and all that. And once it's done, it will load for a second, after which you will be asked to complete this one last step, which is super easy, and I'll show you how to do it, so do not worry at all and do not panic. So what you have to do over here in this last step is that you have to basically install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. And that is super easy. Basically, I have to follow 2 instructions. So I'm going to go for the 2 easiest following instructions definitely. And my first one is going to be fetch rewards. I have to download this app and run it for 30 seconds. So I can simply download it by clicking on the tab to install. And remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store if in case you're using an Android device. So don't worry about the sources of these apps, they're 100% safe to use. I have fast forwarded the video over here to make it short. However, they've instructed us to run these apps for 30 seconds, but I'll advise you guys to run it for 40 to 50 seconds just like I did. If I hadn't fast forwarded the video over here, you would have noticed that. Just to be sure that you have properly completed the offer, run it for 40 to 50 seconds instead of the instructed time, which is 30 seconds. I've completed instruction number 1. I'm going for instruction number 2, which is copper banking. It is a similar kind of an offer. And remember, once you're done with both the offers and instructions, and you've got your contents downloaded, you can delete these extra apps because they may end up occupying space in your phone for no good reason, and they're mostly of no use. And once you've completed both the instructions, you simply close these. You simply close everything, and boom, there you go. Your Dokkan Battle Plus will be downloaded in these super simple, easy steps. I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll catch you next time in another video. Until then,